If you want to buy a domain name on GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the full process step by step, from searching for your name to completing the purchase. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose a domain, skip extras you don't need, and check out safely. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to the GoDaddy website. If you already have an account, log in now so your domain can be purchased under the right profile. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one during checkout, but signing in first usually makes the process faster and easier to follow. Once you're on the GoDaddy homepage, you'll see a search bar right at the top. This is where you'll type the domain name you want to buy. Think carefully about the name before searching, because this is the part that helps you confirm whether your brand, business name, or project name is available. Enter the full domain name exactly how you want it to appear, then click Search. GoDaddy will now check the availability of that domain and show you the results. If your first choice is available, great. If not, don't worry, because GoDaddy usually suggests similar alternatives, different extensions, and other variations you can consider. Take your time reviewing the options so you can pick something that fits your website and is easy for people to remember. When you find an available domain that you like, click Add to Cart. This adds the domain to your shopping cart and gets you one step closer to checkout. After that, GoDaddy may show you some extra protection options or additional services. These can include privacy protection, website tools, or other add-ons. If you do not want those extras, you can skip them and keep moving forward. This is a good moment to stay focused on what you actually need, especially if you're just buying a domain name and want to keep the costs simple. Next, click Continue to Cart. On the cart page, GoDaddy will show your domain purchase details, including the registration period. Here you can choose how long you want to register the domain for. A 1-year registration is the most common choice, but you may also see options for multiple years. Choose the duration that works best for your budget and your long-term plans. Once that's selected, check the order summary carefully. This is where you want to confirm the domain name, the registration length, and the total price before moving on. If everything looks correct, click Ready for Checkout. Now you'll be taken to the payment step. Here you can add your payment method if you haven't already saved one to your account. Make sure your billing details are entered correctly so the purchase can go through without any issues. Once your payment information is in place, review everything one final time and then complete the purchase. After the order goes through, your domain name should be registered to your account, and you'll be able to manage it from your GoDaddy dashboard. From there, you can connect it to a website, set up email, or just hold on to it until you're ready to build. And that's it. You now know how to buy a domain name on GoDaddy from start to finish. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and leave a comment if you want a step-by-step guide for connecting your new domain to a website next.